Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's a very quick one. You want to make OFE Onugbu soup, Italy soup. So before now, I've already boiled my protein of choice, which is beef. I've soaked my stockfish before adding it to the beef. So you are seeing me now. I'm adding I allowed that to cook for some minutes. I seasoned with salt and some seasoning cubes. So I've added my oil, red oil, the quantity I think that will cook the soup. Then I covered it to boil for some minutes. Then I came back, I added my cocoyam. I've already cooked the cocoyam, pounded it with mortar. You can pound with your blender. Then I came back to add the cocoyam, cover it, allow it to cook for some minutes. Then I came back to add other ingredients. I added my crayfish. I already pounded the crayfish. Then I tested. Cooking soup is a lot of testing, testing, testing. You have to test, test, and test. So I adjusted with some seasoning cubes. I added more seasoning cubes. I zoomed in for you to see the pot of soup. Cause yeah, so koto koto koto. Then I came back, I added my pepper. Then this is the star ingredients. This is the ogiri Igbo. In fact, when you're making cocoyam soup, any soup that you will make with cocoyam, you know that this ogiri must enter. So I've added that. I covered it, allowed it to cook for some minutes. Then I came back to add my bitter leaf. I've already washed and cooked that bitter leaf because it was bitter. I bought it from the market. I noticed it was bitter, so I have to cook it for some period of time to remove the bitterness. Because if you add it alive, trust me, it's going to change the taste of your soup. So after adding it, I added salt to test and test and test again. I came back. This is me. The soup is done. So you can chill with this.